I've been active all my life, and so I was really very fit.
Like so many baby boomers, 72-year-old Warren Buck has tried to keep his body moving. Hiking, sailing, skiing, gardening. Activity was second nature until just a few years ago.
And then suddenly I felt it was hard to move. I realized I wasn't moving as well as I used to. Well, you know, before the surgery, I couldn't walk upstairs like this.
1 year after his second hip replacement surgery, he shows how new hardware and rehab have put him back in motion.
All right,
Dr. Fernando.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Mr. Buck is checking in with his orthopedic surgeon at Northwest Hospital in Seattle. Dr. Navin Fernando says his patient is part of a fast-growing wave.
So the trend is definitely of exponential growth of patients choosing to have hip and knee replacements. But the highest increase in patients choosing to have joint replacements are patients in their 50s and 60s.
I can now do things that I used to do. My body feels new. I mean, it's almost like it really is like a new person. I feel at least 20, 25 years younger. And emotionally, I feel brighter. I feel more balanced. I feel more alive.
His only regret, he said, was wishing he'd considered surgery years earlier.
The replacement parts are good. It's a good thing.
From the UW-Medicine newsroom in Seattle, this is Brian Donahue.